Today we are going to show you how to make Chicken Tikka Masala. You're going to need garam masala, ginger garlic paste. You can either use actual minced garlic or ginger, but I prefer use ginger garlic paste. And next you're going to want to use a plain yogurt. Make sure it's not a flavored yogurt or your chicken's going to end up tasting funny. I'd highly recommend using chicken thighs as they are the tastier variety of the chicken. And what you want to do is mince that chicken into small pieces. And next, we're going to add our yogurt to our chicken. This is a marination process, which you're going to want to take 15 minutes at the least to several hours for more flavor. Then you're going to want to add lemon, best hand squeezed or juiced. And next, add your ginger garlic paste, followed by your garam masala and salt. Now mix your ingredients together, and you're going to want to set this aside in the refrigerator and let it marinate for a minimum of 15 minutes. So after mixing it, we're going to now put it in the refrigerator. After the set amount of time that you've set it in the refrigerator, you're going to want to bring it back out and heat it in some oil. So we're going to toss the chicken both sides a minimum of a few minutes until it gets a nice sear on the outside of the chicken. Now go ahead and flip that chicken after a few minutes and make sure you're getting even sear on both sides. Now while that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and take a medium onion. You're going to want to use the whole onion. If you end up having too large an onion, go ahead and use a little bit less. Now we're going to remove the chicken once it's done searing, and we're going to put it in another bowl and leave it to the side for a while. Now go ahead and set your chicken aside and leave the pan as it is. We definitely want all the juices from the remaining chicken in there, so we're going to go ahead and add some oil to this. And then you're going to use a spoonful of butter, or you can use ghee, but in this case we're going to use butter. Make sure that your butter is well melted with your oils, and once this is done, we're going to go ahead and add our onions. Go ahead and add 2 chili peppers to the onions while they're searing if you want a heftier spice kick to your curry. And go ahead and add your ginger garlic paste and mix well. Next we're going to add turmeric, coriander, cumin, and our favorite ingredients for this, garam masala, to our curry. Now go ahead and mix these ingredients together. It really doesn't matter what order you put them in, as long as you get them in first and let them cook for 30 seconds. That's the max that you want them cooking so you don't get a burnt flavor. Then we're going to add our tomatoes. So go ahead and use 2 tomatoes, just dice them any old way because you're going to be going in the blender anyways. And make sure to puree your tomatoes to a good consistency. Now go ahead and add that tomato puree to your curry and mix them well. And then we're going to add a few more spices to this. Now we're going to add red chili powder and salt to this mix of the puree. So go ahead and add your salt in there to taste. And go ahead and add your red chili powder once you've added enough salt. And me and my fiance, we personally love spicy curry, so we definitely add a lot of spices to our curry. Make sure your curry is a thick consistency before you add the cream. Once you add the cream, this is when you're going to reintroduce your chicken to the curry. Make sure all those juices are poured into that curry. Now make sure to stir well and let it cook for a few minutes with this chicken in it. And when it's done, your curry should end up looking like this. Now enjoy your Chicken Tikka Masala.
Hey guys, I hope you liked our video on our how-to. Now go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want more how-tos from us on cooking and baking. Now, how do you guys like your curries? Do you enjoy them spicy, or are you more of the mild type? My fiance and I personally like a level of 8, so go ahead down in the comments below and tell us how high of a spice you enjoy in your curries from 1 to 10. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we hope you subscribe to our channel so you can follow more videos from Time for Food.